Hi everyone, and welcome to our lesson 80. My name is Professor Robert. In today's lesson, we will solve more formulas for a specific variable. So let's dive into it. We are given a problem to solve. A is equal to P plus PRT for P. So we always start off by actually simplifying the expression that involves P. And in this case, we have that our A as equal to P into 1 plus RT. All right. Next, we then divide everywhere by 1 plus RT. Divide by 1 plus RT. So this one leaves us with P on the right-hand side. And then on the left-hand side, we have A over 1 plus RT. And that will be our final answer. Okay, let's try another example and see too. We are told to solve PQ is equal to FQ plus FP for F. Again, we are solving for F, so we have to make sure we simplify what we have here. And this will be PQ is equal to F into P plus Q. And next, we have to divide both sides by P plus Q. P plus Q. And so finally, our F is equal to PQ divided by P plus Q. And that one will be our final answer. Okay? So, if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and please subscribe for more algebra made simple. And see you in our next lesson. And bye for now.